Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, our today's topic is past indefinite tense. But before we move on with our today's topic, I would like to revise some basic or main things about tenses. I hope you remember all that. Tenses. What are tenses? Tense is the time described by a verb shown by its grammatical form. The verb tenses tell us how an action relates to the flow of time. There are three main verb tenses in English, that are present, past, and future. The present, past, and future tenses are divided into four aspects. Now let's see what are these four aspects. Indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. I repeat, there are three main verb tenses in English. What are these three main verb tenses? Present, past, and future. And the present, past, and future tenses are divided into four aspects, that are indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So keeping these four aspects in mind, you can see that there are 12 main tenses. 4 of present, 4 of past, and 4 are of future. Let's see what are these. Now we can see that there are 4 tenses of present, 4 of past, and 4 of future. What are these? Present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. These 4 are of present. And let's see what are the 4 tenses of past. These are in the same manner as you can see in the present. Past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. In the same manner, there are 4 tenses in future as well. Future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Now let's see what is past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense or past simple tense expresses an action that occurred in past. It expresses the following types of past action. Now the past action can be of 2 types. Firstly, an action occurred a little while ago. For example, I ate an apple. He caught a bird in the bushes. I met a friend in the market. Secondly, an action which occurred on regular basis in past. For example, she worked in a factory. The people paid less taxes in past. The ancients believed in superstitions. Now let's see what is the sentence structure of past indefinite tense. Well, we are having 3 types of sentences, as you know: positive sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. First of all, we'll see what is the sentence structure of past indefinite tense for positive sentences. Subject plus second form of verb plus object. We always use second form of verb for the positive sentences of past indefinite tense. And you can see that there is no helping verb. Examples: I bought a laptop. He applied for a job. She prepared some tea for the guests. You qualified the exam. You can see, firstly there is verb, then second form of verb, then an object. In the first sentence, you can see I is subject, bought, second form of verb, and a laptop is object. In the same way, in the second sentence, he applied for a job. He, subject, applied, second form of verb, for a job, object. She prepared some tea for the guests. She, subject, prepared, second form of verb, some tea for the guests, object. You qualified the exam. You, subject, qualified, second form of verb, the exam, it is object. Now let's see what is the sentence structure in negative sentences for past indefinite tense. Subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. Here you can see then that we are using did not, and with did not we are not using second form of verb as we did in the positive sentences. In the negative sentences, when we are using did not, then we will use first form of verb with it, and then comes the object. Examples: I did not help him. You can see we did not say I did not help him. We use first form of verb because we are using did not. I did not help him. She did not make a painting. They did not like the movie. You did not eat the food. He did not come here. They did not complete their work. Now let's move on to the interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, firstly we will use did, then subject, then first form of verb, then object. Here we are using did. So with did we are not using second form of verb. We are using first form of verb. Just keep that thing in your mind. For example, did you watch that movie? Did I call you? Did she laugh? Did they shift to the new home? Did he bring his document? Did, then you, subject है. Watch, first form of verb. That movie, object. Did, then subject I, then first form of verb call, then object you. In the third sentence, did, then the subject she, and then the first form of verb laugh. In the fourth sentence, did, then comes the subject they, and then comes the first form of verb shift, then comes the object to the new home. In the fourth sentence, did, then the subject he, then the first form of verb bring, and then the object his document. I hope that all the things are clear to you now.